Hello everyone, this is Charles Harper. I'm going to show you some of the aspects of the contest application. And one of the first things you're going to do before you're setting up a campaign is you're going to integrate your autoresponder and even your webinar if you have one of these two webinar creators. You can also integrate EverLesson. Part of the process is going to be that you're going to need to send out emails, so you are going to need your SMTP server in order to set it up. They do have tutorials on how to do that. Now there is a video training center on how to use the various aspects of the contest application, so you will be able to walk through the process step by step in order to complete your own campaign. Now the application will count your subscribers even though you're going to be passing them through to your autoresponder. Now there are two aspects to setting up a campaign. One is the rewards, and that's what you're going to give your customer in order to participate with your campaign. Now they're either going to get instructions or they're going to get a URL from you when they win your contest or your sweepstakes. And the whole process revolves around creating a specific contest where you're going to give your rewards. And basically what you're going to be setting up are going to be contests where a customer will get certain content or instructions from you when they work through some instructions. Sometimes the instructions will be that you're going to give them questions to answer. Other times you're going to have to share your pages. And you'll be able to set all of this up based on what your customer does. You'll be able to require that they share something on Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, or any place where you're going to be able to get social media traffic. And the reason that you're going to want to set up your SMTP is because the contest application is going to send out emails based on what's happening, and it'll tell your customer when they've won for the amount of sharing they're doing in your contest. And you'll then have contests that you can begin to work with and clone in order to integrate into your business. And we are going to give you access to 4 courses with PLR rights that you can use in order to pass on PLR to your customers. And that's it. It's a fairly simple demo, and it's a fairly easy cloud-based application to use. Okay, so with that, thanks and have a great day.